name's Alan Bird from Bird Safety Clamp here in Codrington, Ontario. I want to show you how to do a lift with these, what we call an end beam clamp. Why they're unique, they have no swivel die in them, just the cams and the spring loaded. That's so they can fit over the T on the end of the beam. So I'll show you how to slide it on. You always unlock the handle, push the shackle down so your teeth are open. And you slide it on both sides of the web and then on the flange. It slides right on just like one on the other end. Then you always make sure you lock your handle down so they're spring loaded and they won't fall off. And I'll show you how to do a lift. These are always used in pairs, unless for some reason you want to stand an I-beam up. Otherwise they're used in pairs to do a vertical lift. These type of clamps work good for lifting a shorter I-beam, or you can put them on a long I-beam and a longer chain. If you want to drop the I-beam down in somewhere or something, they're handy for that. Just wanted to show you that we had them made. Take the clamp back off, you unhook your chain, lift up on your handle, slide it off just like that.